Have a good day everyone, and today we will see edit block in place in AutoCAD. Okay, let's see. This is a normal block, not a dynamic block. Select block and right click, go edit block in place. Okay, now go edit reference, remove for working set, select chair, enter, edit reference, save changes. Okay, again select block, right click, edit block in place. Okay, edit reference, add to working set, select chair, enter, move. Okay, edit reference, add to working set, select table set, enter, edit reference, save changes. Okay, select block, right click, edit block in place. Okay, edit reference, remove from working set, select table set, enter, edit reference, save changes. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.